year ago, I heard Mike speak at a networking event I was at, and he challenged us to jump in and to start looking at AI from a whole new perspective. After working with the AI Accelerator group, and yes, I'm on my second round, I can't recommend it enough. There is no way I could tell you all of the subtle ways that it's helped, but I can tell you for sure that my business has increased, my clients' business has increased, and all of our bottom lines have been boosted. My name is Karen Romie, and I normalize talking to dead people. I'm a certified psychic medium, and I'm an intuitive business strategist for elite female entrepreneurs, helping them to learn to combine intuition with strategy. The number one reason I almost did not join the AI Accelerator program is because I thought it really didn't apply to me. The number one benefit I've received from the AI Accelerator is the ability to be able to work with a group of people, some of them my peers, and some of them solely focused on AI, and being able to go through actual case studies in my business as they're happening and learning how to apply AI. I sat on the fence before I joined this group, and knowing what I know now, I would say get off the fence. What I've learned is that AI probably won't take a lot of jobs, but what it will do is take jobs from people who aren't using AI. It's already moving. It's a time to learn, and it's a time to get on board. I knew the AI Accelerator group was the right place for me when I looked at my email list about 4 months in. I had started using AI for my SEO, and honestly, I hadn't been paying attention to how subtly it was changing, and it has changed my business entirely. When I joined AI Accelerator, I thought I was going to join a lecture. I thought someone was just going to give me information. And what I found was not only were they giving me information, but I was able to participate in a way where it directly applied to my business. As a business coach and a small business owner, time is our most valuable commodity, and learning how to use the plethora of AI tools out there and apply them directly to my business and to be able to help my clients with their businesses and saving time boosts all of our bottom line. It's truly one of the most valuable tools I've ever used.